Okay, so hi dear Aries, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Aries Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 26th of May till the 1st of June. Roles can be reversed also, not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? Check out the description box, you'll find the links below. And for Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self Love course, two links are given below in the description box, honey. So let's start. Yeah. Okay. माना तू हसक जहाँ से होना चाहिए. You heard this song? I think it's Honey Singh Badshah. I don't know. Let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Sometimes this mic kills me. Kills me. Yeah. Now this is fine. Yeah. Again. What is wrong? Yeah, now it's shining bright. We have the High Priestess. Someone is either silent with you, or they're not saying much, or they're feeling like they should just hide their feelings behind the closed doors and never tell you about something or their energies. Let's clarify the High Priestess here. High Priestess. Let's see. Nine of Pentacles and High Priestess again, and the Eight of Cups. Somebody's planning to get out of this situation, sneak away from the situation slowly but surely and silently, because they feel like they should claim their independence. They should work on themselves, their money, their job, their career. And lately they were not able to connect with themselves, so they feel like getting out of this situation silently. Somebody is planning to sneak away. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Aries? We have the Knight of Pentacles. So from your side, you feel like you're kind of stuck in a dynamic where you don't know what is happening or what's going on or what's going to happen next. You're feeling everything is kind of on hold right now. Let's clarify the Knight of Pentacles. We have the Strength card, the Lovers, and the Page of Swords. You're trying to investigate the situation here. You are trying to understand the truth about the situation. You're holding back from this urge or desire to do anything in a particular direction, but you're surely watching this person, this situation from a distance, and trying to get the truth, try to get to know about the truth about the situation. Like if somebody's kind of cheating on you or doing something behind your back, or there is something going on that you don't know, so you might be in this energy of researching, getting to know more about the situation, but at the same time feeling stuck and not able to understand what's actually going on. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Aries? Seven of Swords. This is a very sneaky energy around you right now. Their intention is not so good here. Let me clarify the Seven of Swords in order to get the clear picture before saying anything more to you guys. Let's clarify the Seven of Swords here. We have the Hierophant, the King of Cups in reverse, the Six of Cups in reverse. This person is definitely letting go of the past, maybe with you, a past connection, a past situation, a past relationship, or a connection that was very meaningful to them at some point of time. Maybe they're getting married or committed to somebody else and they're not even telling it to anybody. This is a situation where somebody is kind of trying to get away from the situation right now and heading towards something or someone totally different, and they are trying to hide it. So somebody is trying to sneak away from the situation and doing everything behind the scenes and trying their best to not to get it revealed at any cost. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side? Empress in reverse. You want to know the reason why things are not growing or why things are not going the way you want it to be. Let me clarify the Empress in reverse. You want to know the reason here. One of you want to know the reason, the other person is kind of sneaking away and letting go of the situation in silence. We have the Four of Cups, the Ace of Wands, the Ace of Swords. You want truth, you want honesty, you want clarity, you want to understand why this is not working out, and what you should do and what you should not do in this direction to make this work out somehow, or at least get the proper clarity and proper understanding of what is going on behind the scenes, because you're very disappointed the way things are going and you're not able to get the proper answer here. If this is not resonating, it's not your story. Don't force yourself to fit into the reading. Again, if it is not resonating, it's not your story, honey. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the, what we have, 1st of June. Aries. Three of Swords. I'm sorry, this is a heartbreak. This is a painful energy that you might experience, that you might be already experiencing, but it's going to be like, let's clarify the Three of Swords in order to get the clear picture here, honey. We have the King of Pentacles, the Knight of Wands, the Ten of Wands. Somebody is going to take their power back from the situation and they are going to drop the situation. It could be you, it could be the other person. It could be both of you planning to drop the situation for good this time and taking your power back from the situation individually and working on your own individual goals and moving on kind of energies. Finally, something is crumbling apart, and finally you guys are letting it go. For most of you, you are doing it because you are not getting what you want out of this situation. You are dropping the situation. This is an on and off, in and out kind of a situation where you never got the clarity, never got the happiness or the understanding of what's going on, and finally you are releasing it. As painful as it is, you are finally letting it go. Yes, you are going to experience the pain of this breakup, separation, or this letting go, but you know that this is happening for your highest good, and you're kind of, your heart is broken, but your consciousness is telling you that it was bound to happen and you will be okay. For you, the guidance here is the Five of Pentacles. Yes, it's going to bother you and it's going to make you feel like left out in the cold for some time, Aries, but do not give up. Do not go back to the same kind of shit again that you know is not good for you. Even if this is going to make you feel the worst kind of energies, go through the pain with grace, with this energy of everything is going to be fine. This is just a phase of your life, not your whole life. Okay, this is just a phase. Just keep on remembering this phrase. This is just a phase, not your whole life, and you will be able to get out of this very, very soon. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Aries. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you.